So what can we learn from gold's recent cup and handle breakout? How does silver's historical and current price movements compare to gold's? And why do gold and silver offer a unique risk-reward profile compared to other investments? I'm Brian Keneally, this is Todd Graff, and welcome back to the Gold Spot. So Todd, without getting too technical, the cup and handle formation, one of the most reliable technical analysis ever known. What can you tell us about that?
So, everybody has noticed that gold's going up in value. It's been going up for a couple of years now. But if you look at the charts, it's forming a very obvious cup and handle formation. And the results from that, gold's gone from, recently it's gone from $1,835 to over $3,400. So we've seen an 86% increase. And a lot of our clients have benefited from that majorly. So looking for these cup and handle formations, it's very clear in gold, but I know you've been talking too about the silver market right now as well.
So yeah, what we're seeing today in the silver market is very similar to what we saw in 2009 through 2011. We actually saw it surge from $11.30 an ounce to $49.89 an ounce. That was a gain of roughly 350%. So it's looking very similar to that right now.
Yeah, everybody's been noticing recently the silver market. We've seen the price go from $20 an ounce up to $39. And actually today it's getting closer and closer to 40. So even just this summer, Brian, we've seen silver moving up quickly. It's gone from 33 to 39 in the last 2 months. So it is kind of forming that same cup and handle that we've seen in gold as well.
So yeah, typically what we see is silver lags behind gold. So when we see a big movement in the gold market, later we see a movement in the silver market. Usually takes about 15 to 18 months. And with the latest spike that started around 2024 post-COVID, it's looking very strong.
So the strength of gold and silver right now is undeniable. And really, with silver especially, if you look at the risk and reward, I can't think of another investment or another asset that has such a stretch between the risk and the reward. Silver's not going to go to zero. Okay, it's not gonna fail. It's always been valuable throughout thousands of years of history. But the upside potential of silver, because of a number of different reasons, manipulation and debt, different factors, the upside potential is huge, many multiples of where the price is now. So for investors looking for something safe that can also grow quite a bit, right now I think silver is one of the best assets to be looking at. And you look at the rest of the environment. Inflation has been pushing these prices higher and higher. And it's making the days of being able to buy an ounce of silver for $20 or $25. I don't think we're going to see those days again. It is going up in value quickly, and we might not get those pullbacks in the future to be able to buy it low again.
So Todd, in case you missed it, earlier this month we crossed a new line in our national debt. We increased above $37 trillion. Again, inflationary pressures, supportive to the gold price, supportive to the silver price going forward. So to learn more, click on the link below to read our very popular silver report. You can call us, text us, or email us, and we'll see you next week on the Gold Spot.
If you enjoyed today's Gold Spot, like or subscribe to both our YouTube and Rumble channels. Also comment below if you have any questions or if you want to hear us talk about a specific topic in a future video.